Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another Airsoft and Airgun vlogging. By the way, shoutout kay Sir Jeffrey Kitil. So ang ating re-review ngayon is the Super Sport 702 Airsoft Revolver CO2 powered, pero pwede siyang steel ball. So pwede siyang balahan ng plastic BBs at pwede ring balahan ng bolitas or steel ball. This is 5.95 mm in diameter. Mas malaki po siya sa bala ng airgun. Steel ball. So, bali itong unit na ito ay may kasama na siyang plastic BBs, airsoft BBs, 3,000 shots. At syempre, yung kanyang hangin na CO2. It comes with 5 pieces na CO2. Okay, syempre yung silicone oil. So, this is the Sport Series. Ayan, 702. Bali, yung haba po ng barrel niya ay 6 inches. Ayan, 6 inches po yan. Mula rito po. Mula rito sa chamber hanggang dito sa dulo. Tapos, ang ganda ng dulo niya, oh. Kala mo merong groove. Ayan. Yung sight niya, white dot lang sa dulo. Yan, white dot sa dulo. Tapos, etong sight niya sa rear, adjustable po yan. Up and down, elevation, left and right, windage. Ayan, 6 shots po yan. So, bali may kasama siyang shell. Ito po ay single and double action. Single action, and double action. So, bali may kasama po itong owner's manual. Tapos, ito po yung speed loader. And then, ito yung dalawang rail, tactical rail. Para pwede nyo po siyang lagyan ng optic sight, red dot optic or scope. Kasama na siyang Allen. And then, it comes with 100 shots na .20 in a battle. 100 pieces yan. And ito yung shell. 6 shots, 6 pieces. So, dito po nilalagay yung bala. So, mag-load tayo ng steel ball. Okay, so ngayon po, steel ball po yung ating gagamitin. Bolitas. Dito po natin siya ilo-load. So, may rubber. Ayan po. Bali, 6 shots. May kasama na rin po pala itong steel ball. 100 shots pag umorder po kayo. 100 pieces na steel ball. At yung bala na plastic BBs, 3,000 pieces naman. Load lang tayo ng CO2. Okay. Testing natin. Wala naman siyang bala. Okay. So, load natin yung 6 pieces na shell na nilagyan po natin ng steel ball or steel BBs. Ayan. Okay. So, meron siyang safety. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po, yung S, yan po yung safe. Then, ito naman open. Pag o-open nyo po, forward lang, tapos tulak lang. Ayan. Okay, Super Sport 702 6 inches barrel. Revolver. CO2 powered revolver. Testing. Okay, testing. 3 shots for single action, then 3 shots for double action. Okay, single action first. Firing! And double action. Okay. So, 6 shots all in all. All goods. This is 702 revolver. Nasa around 500 to 600 EPS. Airsoft revolver by Wingun.